Welcome to Lakshmi Academy. Today's question is, what is positive testing? From the software tester's point of view, it is very important to verify that the software performs its basic functions as per the requirements. So you do the positive testing based on the software requirements and specifications. In this testing, the tester always checks for only valid set of input values and verifies if software under test or application behaves as expected with its expected output values. So we have seen in negative testing we do with invalid set of input, but in positive testing you will do with a valid set of input values. The main goal of this testing is to check whether software application is not showing an error message when it is not supposed to, or it's not erroring out or crashing when it is not supposed to, and it's showing error or warning message when it is supposed to. Positive testing always tries to prove that a given product or project always meets the requirement and specification. So the positive testing word itself will tell you that we are testing for positive values which are within the requirements and specification. Techniques used for positive validation are boundary value analysis and equivalence partitioning, and we will go over both this in a separate tutorial with respect to positive and negative testing. Let us see some example of positive testing, and we will also see the difference between positive and negative testing. It's a very easy difference. Positive testing you do a positive approach, and negative testing you do for invalid data, and positive you do for valid data. Let's say if you have a phone number field, and phone number should be numeric. So what happens is, if you are doing positive testing, you will enter numeric values in the phone number, or for example number of characters. Suppose phone number is 8 characters long, so you will do the testing with 8 characters. Now same thing, phone number you want to do negative testing, so since the phone number is numeric, you're doing negative testing, so you're going to do enter alphabets or non-numeric characters to see how the system is behaving. Number of characters, suppose example number of characters are 8. So you're going to do positive testing with 8 characters, but negative testing you will do for 7 or more than 8 characters like 9, 10, and see how the system behaves. Next example can be age. Age should be greater than 0, or other thing is condition is age should be numeric. So when you're doing positive testing, you will enter numeric positive numbers. But for age, if you're doing negative testing, you will enter negative numbers, or you will enter characters and see how the system is behaving. Another example is zip code. So you're going to test positive testing you're going to do on number of characters, the type of characters, whether it's numeric values. And as I said, it depends on the specification of the software, the users. Take the example of zip code. There are countries which uses numeric values. Suppose you're testing your application for US customer, then you're going to test the zip code with numeric values. But if you're testing your application for customers from UK or Canada, you're going to test it with alphanumeric because the zip code format is different. So you're going to do positive testing for zip code with the valid input values. It will be numeric. Suppose you're going to do for US country for negative testing, then you're going to enter alphabets. So this is all about positive testing, and the word itself gives you a lot of information. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Please subscribe Lakshmi Academy on YouTube for more videos.